Osiris, we are told, rules the underworld. Osiris descended into the underworld to become the Lord of the quick and the dead. We know that his throne was set up in Amentet, the subterranean world. And here, with the attendance of his sister wife Isis and her sister Nephthys, he became the judge in the great weighing of the soul. Plutarch tells us that Osiris is the subterranean sun, that he is therefore the light that shineth in darkness, and the darkness comprehendeth it not. This light which shines in the darkness is the night sun of Apuleius, who saw it blazing beneath his feet when he entered the sanctuary of Proserpine. Paracelsus tells us that there are 3 suns in the solar system, that every solar system has actually 3 sun structures or solar structures in it, as represented by the trimuta of the Hindu. That there is the spiritual sun, which is in the true center. That there is the psychic sun, which is in the northern focal point of the ellipse, and there is the material sun, which is in the southern focal point. And the mental or psychical and the physical sun, called by the Persians and Hindus Asura and Asura, the true light and the false light, Ormuz and Ahriman, the good angel and the fallen angel. These are the 2 suns which fight for control over the human soul. They must ultimately be reconciled in the true radiance of the spiritual sun, Ahura Mazda. In this mystery also, the Hindus tell us that there are 7 parts of the brain. And Albertus Magnus gives us also the septenary division, that the 7 planets are posited again in the brain as their polar positive extremity. And that also, as the earliest researchers indicated, there are 7 sections of the human eye, and that every part of the body is septenary. This 7th, by the way, is the eye, the mysterious, internal or all-seeing eye of the mysteries, which is again the symbol of Osiris, as worn upon the throne crown of Nephthys, of Isis. So these problems come back in great mystery to us. But Osiris, as the subterranean sun, his body filled with eyes and plumed with the crowns of the north and south, or the extremities of existence, is part of a great solar psycho mystery. And his relationship to Typhon and the destroyer is not difficult for us to restore if we think a little.
In a different town on another time. Wishing you were here. Even though you're far away, you're on my mind. Wishing you were here. my life, and you know I would. Just to be with you tonight, baby, if I could. But I've got my job to do, and I do it well. Oh, change my life, I can't live life with you. Wishing you were here. Wishing you were on the road, it's a heavy load, but I'll get by. Wishing you were here. Pay the price, make a sacrifice, and still I try. Wishing you were
Well, the body of Osiris represents the secret doctrine. It's divided into 14 parts and divided among the parts of the world. And the lost word of Freemasonry is the generative force, the lost part of Osiris, the lost part, the secret of the secret doctrine. So we must therefore understand that it was scattered through the 7 divine and 7 infernal spheres. The locusts and tails of India are by different symbolism to the 7 worlds which are without and the 7 worlds which are within. The Kabbalah of the Jews. Bacchus was torn into 7 pieces by the Titans and Osiris into 14 pieces. To use the words of Faber, quote, both these stories are in substance the same, for the second number is merely the reduplicate of the first. By a variation of much the same nature, the ancient mythologist added 7 Titanides and 7 Kabiri to the 7 Titans, unquote.